In this video, we're going to learn how to use AI emoji feature in Filmora mobile. So before starting the video, if you haven't downloaded the latest version of Wondershare Filmora 14, then do please check out the description below to download the latest version of Wondershare Filmora 14. Here is our Wondershare Filmora mobile. I just simply go to the AI tools. Under the AI tools tab, you have the option of AI emoji. Just simply select your image that you wanted to convert in your video. Now just simply click on the import button, and after some time you have your footage like this. Now as you can see, our image is looking like a video. Also in the AI packaging, you have the option of AI highlight, AI emoji, AI camera, smart sticker. Also you can trim the footage or delete the picture according to your preference. You can also select the language according to your need in which you wanted to convert your video. So I hope this video really helped you, or if this video really helpful, please do like and subscribe to our channel to get updates of all upcoming videos regularly. Also if you haven't downloaded the latest version of Wondershare Filmora 14, then do please check out the description below to download the latest version of Wondershare Filmora 14. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.